Hello guys, welcome to Mebo Design, and in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to type Arabic text correctly in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. First, open your Illustrator and type or paste something in Arabic. In my case, I'm going to paste this simple phrase from Google Translate. And now, as you can see, the text looks different. And if you're familiar with or can speak Arabic, then you would understand that here is written absolute nonsense. Your question is probably how to fix this problem. It's very simple. Go to the paragraph menu. If you don't see the paragraph menu, then go to the window menu. Find type, and here you will see the paragraph option. Or you simply can press Alt Ctrl plus T and it will appear. So go to the paragraph menu. Press with a right-click mouse on this option menu and you will see this Middle Eastern and South Asian single line composer. Just mark it, and as you see, text is fixed. We can even compare. Yes, everything is correct. Alright, what if you don't see this option? Don't worry, go to Edit, Preferences and Type. Here you will see this Indic text option. Mark it, press OK, and now you should have this feature. Let's try it one more time. Paragraph, Middle Eastern and South Asian single line composer, and problem is solved. Hope the video was helpful. Please like it and leave your comments if you have some questions. Thank you for watching.